Hi, my name is Megan Gidley and I'm the Director of Marketing with Kuhnekt. Welcome back to the Get Connected podcast. Today, we're here in Fredericksburg, Ohio, and we're going to be chatting with Ezra Yoder, who is the owner of No Reins Performance Horses. We're going to be finding out a little bit about his training styles and techniques and how he gets through to horses like this one here. Let's find out what he has to say. Hi, Ezra. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
Fantastic. It's a beautiful day out, isn't it?
It absolutely is.
Ezra, can you give me some examples of the different types of techniques that you use when training a horse?
Yes, I do a lot of desensitizing. I use bull whips, tarps. I have obstacle course here that I do challenging stuff for the horse to get them over that stuff. I have about 200 acres of trails that I can ride on here. So I do a lot of trail riding, just crossing water, crossing logs. And I have the flags and stuff that I'll use on the horse just to really desensitize him, throw ropes off him. I also have a hot walker that I can put the horses out. It's outdoor. I tie the horses on there and I can either just let it sit there and they're on tie lines, or I can let them walk. And it just gets them to move off pressure and walk as they're walking through the poles and the tires and stuff.
So you mentioned that you use a hot walker to help kind of walk the horses and condition them. What is the difference between a hot walker and a treadmill?
Well, the treadmill is a lot to build up muscles on the horse, and it can be really good for the horse to put them on there, but the hot walker, I feel like it just mentally works the horse more than the treadmill. When you put them on the treadmill, they have to work hard, and in about 15-20 minutes they're going to be really tired on there, so they're going to come off there and they're going to do whatever you ask them to do because they're tired. If you go to the hot walker, they're not tired. It's just a mental stage for them to figure out how to control their emotions.
What are the main aspects you focus on during the training process?
Keeping the horse relaxed, happy, willing to learn, just keeping them really working on getting them soft. I don't want to just go out there and work them really hard that they get really tired, because when they get really tired, they're going to do whatever you ask them to do. So I try and keep it very light work, but just a lot of mental work that they stay happy, stay focused, and most of all, just trying to make progress each day.
On average, how long can it take to complete performance training with you?
It depends a lot on the horse. Also a lot on where you want to perform, what level you are going to be performing with the horse. A lot of horses progress a lot faster than others, so it really depends a lot on the horse. I would say as far as like the cowboy mounted shooting, it'll take up to, if you're performing in like the level 5 or level 6, it's going to take about a year to get that horse mentally prepared for all the speed and stuff. I can get them to that level pretty quick, but the faster you go and you don't work on their mental stage, they will go fast, but they won't be relaxed walking in the pen or walking out, and they're gonna also probably blow you at turns and stuff. So I would say for the cowboy mounted shooting, it'll probably take up to a year just to get that horse mentally prepared for that level of performance. I also do a lot of bending the horse around, just flexing the horse, moving his shoulders, moving their hips around, getting them to move off my legs really soft and staying soft in the face as I'm doing that. I work a lot on counter cantering, stop, turnarounds, just to get them mentally really focused on my seat, so when I go into performance that they are also really connected to my seat and are ready to turn as soon as I sit or I ask them to make that turn.
Ezra, is there anything specific that you look for before choosing a horse to train?
I try to watch when they get off the trailer, how they react to the new environment. Usually when they come here, they've never been off the farm. So this is a completely new thing for them. So I just try and watch them in the first couple days, how they react when I'm around them, how they, if they're pulling back, if I tie them, if they're leading nice, how skittish they are. Basically just trying to read their body language, because that can really help you know what the horse is going to do when you start putting new stuff in the training.
Thank you for sitting down with me and taking time out of your busy schedule to interview with me, Ezra.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for coming out. I really appreciate it.
Give me a little gallop.
Not gallop.
Gallop. Trot. There you go. Go, Caitlin, go. Go, Caitlin, go. Over, over, over. Woo! Go, go, go. And good job.
Okay, I'm gonna skip that. Okay. You should do your intro to one of the podcasts on here.
Take your legs off. So when he goes, you want to like release your legs.
Okay.
Push him to go and then release your legs. So
Okay.
as soon as he goes, you want to like take your legs kind of off.
Kind of off.
Because if you keep your legs on, he's going to go faster, faster.
Okay.
Go. Thank you for watching. We interrupted each other. Stay.
Go ahead.
Thank you for watching the Get Connected podcast. For more information, stay tuned to our Facebook page and our YouTube channel. Have a great week.